Hello and welcome to CAPT. Curious to know more about the facilities in CAPT? Let's bring you around the place we call home. The CAPT building has 3 lifts serving all floors. In the lifts, various boards are put up by different CAPT committees as an interactive tool to educate captains. Also, posters can be found here to notify captains about the exciting events they may participate in. Captains may choose to stay in single rooms along the corridors. There are both air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned options for these rooms. Captains who choose to live in suite rooms will share a common space and toilet with 5 other captains. There are also both air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned room options for the suite. Need to wash your clothes? Each neighbourhood has a laundry room which consists of 2 washers and 2 dryers. Both washers and dryers accept electronic and coin payments. The pantry is where the water coolers, common fridge and microwave are. Captains may store their food in the fridge and cook their favourite meals here. The lounge is for captains to chill, hang out and play games. It can also be used for studying and eating supper together. TV, sofa, board games and card games are available too. The dining hall is where captains get to dine together with resident fellows and friends. The meal plan in the college includes breakfast and dinner for the entire week except for Saturday dinner and Sunday breakfast. There are 6 counters that include halal, vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options. The flying seat is the nexus of the CAPT community and is a general social space for us. Captains can relax on the comfortable sofas, watch movies, or borrow board games to pit your intellect against fellow captains. We also have a piano and a printing station. The MPSH is where most of the sports interest groups, IGs, such as badminton, volleyball and floorball, hold their sessions. In the reading room, we can find study tables and a plethora of books. Captains may read here during their leisure time. The reading room is also dedicated to quiet studying. Modules offered in CAPT are usually held in one of the 6 SRs within the college. These SRs come fully equipped with audio-visual equipment and can also be used for student activities. SRs 1 and 2 are located on level 1 behind the MPSH, whereas SRs 3 to 6 are located at B1. The workshop TR1 has the equipment captains can use for cooking and baking. The black box TR2 includes the drums, a keyboard and a mixer for captains to jam together. The arena TR3 is an area where captains can take a break from studying. Some games we often play here are foosball and pool. Located beside the Office of Housing Services (OHS), the mailbox can be used to receive letters and small packages. Hope you've enjoyed the tour and we can't wait to see you in CAPT.